guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a quick grocery haul. This grocery haul is just a little, I was just grabbing some stuff to make some meals for the next few days, since my car broke down unexpectedly and there's supposed to be a snowstorm. So I just wanted to make sure we had milk, eggs, stuff like that. I didn't like go overboard or anything. Like, I literally spent less than $100. But I just wanted to share this separate from the vlog that I was recording today. Yeah, so we're gonna get right into it. If you want to see more of me or more of my videos, make sure you like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to my page, and also click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a video. Yeah, I'm gonna get right into it so you guys can see what I got today. My dad came and took me to the store. I'm about to just show y'all what I got. There is supposed to be a snowstorm. I'm in Indiana. There's supposed to be a snowstorm, so the city is supposed to be shut down on Wednesday and Thursday. It was very picked over. I didn't get no footage in there. The produce section was empty. So I'm about to just show y'all what I got. So first, I just got some of this apple mango applesauce for the kids. Some apple banana applesauce. Honey Nut Cheerios. And I got some Hawaiian rolls because they was out of bread, so I'm gonna make it do what it do. And I got some hamburger buns, and I got some eggs. I got some nacho Doritos, some spicy nacho Doritos. Got the kids some more yogurt. I was just getting some waffles so they could eat them in the morning, but they didn't really have none. So they only had this apple cinnamon one, and so I got it. I don't know why people picked over the apple cinnamon ones, because these probably good. And I got 3 of these Jack's pizzas. 2, 3. And then again, our norm. Some Lunchables. I got some pizza ones. Just different kinds of Lunchables for the people to eat. And I got some ham because I'm gonna put the ham on the Hawaiian rolls and put some cheese in it, and it's gonna be fire. Some lettuce, some cuties. Well, these are called peels, but y'all know, same thing. Got some more wipes. I also got the kids just some little juices that I could find. So just the Juicy Juice apple juice, and I got some canned fruit. So I got some peach chunks because they didn't really have that much stuff, and I gotta make my kids some food. So yeah, I got some more fruit water for them. A few and I got a few apples and some grapes. And they had these little strawberries that I got, so I'm gonna cut those up, put them in a bowl. Got these for Big J, and I just got some canned fruit because they didn't have no fruit cups. And some of these with meatballs. And just one of these. Well, I got 2 of those, 2 peach chunks. And they didn't even have no corn, so I got this big thing of corn. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. The corn was the last thing I showed, but I also did get 2 gallons of milk, and my total I spent was $97 and some change at Meijer. As you can see, I went to Meijer. You saw me taking the stuff out the bags. But make sure you comment below, like this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will see you guys in my next video.